In this video, we're diving into how you can make real money online using WooCommerce and affiliate products without ever shipping a thing or touching inventory. What's up, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we break down side hustle ideas that are actually doable. No fluff, no gimmicks, just smart ways to start earning online. So if you've been looking for a way to make passive income that's low risk, easy to set up, and beginner friendly, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. So what is an affiliate product and why use WooCommerce? Have you ever clicked a link that says something like buy on Amazon, made a purchase and never thought about it again? Well, the person who sent you there probably earned a commission from that sale. That's affiliate marketing. It's one of the most beginner-friendly ways to make money online because you don't need to create a product, handle shipping, or worry about customer service. And when you combine affiliate marketing with WooCommerce, WordPress's free e-commerce plugin, you basically get your own storefront without needing to fulfill any orders yourself. Instead of people checking out on your site, they click your product link, get redirected to the brand's website, and you earn a cut when they buy. Let's walk through exactly how to set that up. Now, here's what you'll need to get started. Before we dive into the step-by-step, let's cover what you need. A WordPress website hosted on your own domain, the WooCommerce plugin installed and activated, an account with an affiliate program like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Impact, a product you want to promote with an affiliate link. That's it. No paid tool, no fancy tech needed. So if I were to get started with my website, I would choose Hostinger. And if you want to get started with Hostinger, we got a link for you down in the description below. It works great with WordPress and WooCommerce, which is why we recommend it. So if you click the link down in the description, it'll bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and get started with their couple of different plans here. So just click on their start for free here, and you can actually get started with a 7-day free trial, which is awesome. Now, if we go ahead and come back here, we come down to see plans. They've got a couple different options to choose from. They got the premium website builder and the business website builder. So the premium website builder starts at $2.99 per month, and you also get 2 months free. You can build up to 25 websites. You get 2 mailboxes per website free for 1 year. You get the drag and drop editor, 150 templates, Google Ad Maps. You get AI tools, AI website builder, e-commerce features, and a ton more. Now, for most of you just getting started, that's going to be more than enough, but if you want a little bit more, you can go ahead and go with the business website builder plan where you can get up to 50 websites, 5 mailboxes per website, and a whole lot more. So if we go ahead, click on choose plan, and next all we need to do is go ahead and select the term we want to commit to, whether that's 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. For this option, I'll just go ahead and select 12 months. And then last thing you want to do is come over here to coupon code and just type in code my first website and click apply. And there you go. For only $43.09, you're going to go ahead and get a full year of hosting to Hostinger. And for this whole video tutorial, that's all the money that you'll need to spend. So let's go ahead and move on. Step by step, creating an affiliate product in WooCommerce. Step 1, go to add new product in your WooCommerce dashboard. So once you've got your Hostinger plan, you've got WordPress installed and the WooCommerce plugin installed, we're going to go to our WordPress dashboard and we're going to click on products in the sidebar. Then just hit add new. This is where you'll add all the details for your affiliate product. You want to give your product a name, something like video camera or wireless earbuds. This is the name people will see on your website. So let's go ahead and do that now. So here we are, the WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to come over here to products. And if I just hover over it, I can come over here and then click on add new product. And here we are. So I'll go ahead and just show you what we're going to be putting on our website. We're going to put a Sony FX3. Now, I think Amazon is typically around 1 to 4%, on their commission rate. Selling about a $4,000 camera, that's a pretty good payday for you there. Also, this is just my dream camera, which is why I chose it for this example. But anyways, what we'll go ahead and do is we'll go ahead and just copy this right here, and we'll copy this as well. We'll just copy the whole thing. Go ahead and copy that, come back here, and we'll put that into our product name. Sweet. Step 2, change the product type to external/affiliate product. So under product data, there's a drop-down menu where you can choose the type of product. You want to change it from simple product to external/affiliate product. This is what tells WooCommerce, hey, this isn't something I'm selling directly. This product lives on another site. So when they go to buy, instead of going through your checkout process in your WooCommerce store, it'll redirect them. So we'll go ahead and scroll down here a bit, and under product data, we'll change this from product data to external/affiliate product. Step 3, add your affiliate link. Now, once you select external/affiliate product, 2 new fields will show up. Product URL. Now, this is where you paste your affiliate link. That's the special link from your affiliate dashboard that tracks who clicked and bought from your site. Then there's the button text. This is what the call to action button will say. Something like buy on Amazon or shop now works great. Be sure you're using your unique affiliate link, not just the regular product page. Now, since I don't have an affiliate account with Amazon, I'm just going to take the regular link for this example, but we'll go ahead and paste that in right here. And for now, we'll go ahead and just say buy on Amazon. Sweet. Step 4, add price info, which is optional. So you can choose to show a price if you want. Just remember that the actual checkout happens on the affiliate site. You could say something like regular price $50, sale price $45. Just know that WooCommerce won't auto update these prices if the affiliate site changes them. So some people skip the price entirely and just let the buy button do the work, which is what we're gonna do here because products go on sale all the time on Prime. There's Prime Day and stuff like that on Amazon. And so we're gonna go ahead and leave that blank. Step 5, write a short description. So below the product info, you'll see a box for the short product description. This is the little blurb that shows up next to your product title and image. Just keep it simple. Highlight what the product does and why someone should care. So what we'll go ahead and do is a lot of the work is done for us over here anyways. So what we'll go ahead and do, we'll just come up here to the about this item and we'll just go ahead and copy this stuff right here. So over here under the short description, this is where we want to paste that. So I'll just go ahead and paste that in right there and sweet. Step 6, add a product image. You want to upload a clean image of the product, ideally the same one used on the affiliate site. You want the visitor to see something familiar when they click through. You don't need to worry about product galleries or multiple photos. One solid image is fine. I went ahead and downloaded the image of the FX3 from this exact Amazon listing, so it will match perfectly. So let's go ahead and upload that now. So we'll come here to set product image and we'll come over here to upload files and I'll go ahead and drop that image right in there. And we'll go ahead and click set product image. Step 7, publish and review. Now, once everything's filled in, just hit publish. Now you can go view the product on your store. You should see the product title, description, and a button that says buy on Amazon or whatever you set it to say. When you click it, it should send you directly to the affiliate site using your link. Congrats, you just built your first affiliate product page. So let's go ahead and do that now. We'll come here and we'll hit publish. And now we can come right here and click on view product. So now this is on my own website, erichunsaker.com. And as you can see, this image for some reason isn't fitting that great. So I'd probably want to go in and change that. But as you can see, we've got a live product here on my website. So we've got the Sony Alpha FX3 and we've got our buy on Amazon button. And you won't see a price, remember, because we left that blank intentionally because prices fluctuate on Amazon. So if we click that, that's going to go ahead and bring us over to Amazon. Boom. That's exactly what we were hoping for. And if we come back here and let's come to my shop tab, then we can come in here and we can see all the products that I have as well as the Sony FX3 over here. Sweet. Now, how do you actually make money from this? Great question. Simply having the page live won't make you rich. Here's where the strategy kicks in. You need traffic, people visiting your site and clicking your affiliate links. Let's talk about how to bring those people in and increase your chances of getting paid. Tips to boost your affiliate sales. Tip 1, use SEO to get organic traffic. One of the best things about pairing WooCommerce with WordPress is the power of content marketing. You can write blog posts around your affiliate products, like reviews, comparisons, or how-to guides, and use SEO to bring people in from Google. If someone's searching best cinema cameras for beginners and they land on your post, then clicks through and buys, that's affiliate income. Tools like Rank Math or Yoast SEO can help you optimize your posts for search, and they're plugins that can be installed inside of WordPress. Tip 2, make lists that rank. People love listicles. So create a blog post like top 5 cameras for freelancers, or top 10 must-have cameras for Hollywood sets, or best tech gifts under $50. Each item on that list can have an affiliate product listed in WooCommerce. You see, you're giving value while quietly dropping your links. Tip 3, link internally from other pages. If you have a blog post about training at home, you can naturally link to your fitness product that you have on your website. Every internal link increases the odds that someone clicks and converts. Tip 4, build an email list. Now, not everyone will buy the first time they see your site. So set up a simple opt-in using something like MailerLite or ConvertKit or OmniSend and collect emails. You can then send product roundups, gift guides, seasonal deals like Black Friday specials, all with your affiliate links inside. Mistakes to avoid. All right, quick reality check. Here are some common mistakes that new affiliate marketers make and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, using the wrong link. Always double check your affiliate URL. If it's missing your unique ID, you won't get credit for the sale. Mistake 2, promoting crappy products. If you're just listing random junk for the commission, people will stop trusting you. Only promote stuff you've tried, researched, or would genuinely recommend it to a friend. Mistake 3, not testing mobile. Check how your product pages look on your phone. If the buttons are hard to click or the images are blurry, fix it. Most users are on mobile. Mistake number 4, violating terms of service. Some affiliate programs, especially Amazon, have strict rules. You can't email their links in most cases, and you have to include disclaimers. Make sure you read the terms before promoting. How to scale this setup. Now, once you've got the basics down, here's how to grow. Use a link management plugin. Install something like Pretty Links, Thirsty Affiliates, or even Lasso to clean up your links and you can track clicks. Instead of pasting this long, ugly link, you can go ahead and make something much cleaner and tidier. Looks cleaner and it's easier to manage. Join multiple affiliate programs. Start with Amazon if you want, but also explore Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, Impact, Digistore24, ClickBank. Different programs often pay more, especially for some niche products. Add related products or upsells. Create WooCommerce related products sections to show more affiliate items on each page. If someone's shopping for, let's say, a basketball net, maybe they also want a ball pump or court tape. Wrapping it all up. So here's the bottom line. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You don't need to launch the next big product. You just need to connect with the right people with the right products and get paid when they click. WooCommerce lets you build a professional looking storefront for your affiliate links. And with a little content, SEO, and consistency, it can turn into a real income stream. You're not going to get rich overnight, but it's a real way to start making money online without the usual headaches of e-commerce. Now, if you made it this far, then you're probably serious about giving it a shot, and I hope this gave you a roadmap to get started. If you want to get started with any of the products we talked about today, then you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn that small commission we've been talking about today when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. See what I did there? We gave that little disclaimer. Anyways, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of different side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make an extra income. So be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next one.